Hey, this is Emma Poindexter. Forgive me if my voice is a little bit off. I have a very sore throat, so I can't speak very loudly. But for my first question, how did I feel about the paper that I wrote and what did I take away from it? I feel like this paper was more difficult. However, I feel like I made my point and I feel strongly about my argument. As far as what I took away from it, it is easy to underestimate how hard an argument will be to put forward and accomplish, and this one was a hard one to me. Number two, what did you want your readers to take away? I want my readers to be able to educate themselves on both sides of the argument from reading my paper and then make their own decision. Number three, what kind of feedback were you offered and how did you incorporate it? From my instructor, I was told to incorporate what we as a society can do as far as criminal deterrence if the theory is in fact not effective. I took this feedback and answered it to my best ability in my conclusion paragraph. From a classmate, I was told to go more in depth to the issues that criminal deterrence holds and possible solutions. Again, I did that with my conclusion paragraph. So if we go down here, I started here talking about how we should recognize it as a society and then going on to list some possible, solutions. Number four, what do I think was the most room for improvement in my paper? I believe that in my paper, I could have had either better sources or more information from them. With that being said, it was difficult to summarize a 40-page source describing studies in great depth. So I kind of cut myself some slack on that part. And finally, what did I like most about my paper? I feel like this is a constant answer for me to this question, but I enjoyed my topic. I just love criminal justice and I've never researched this topic before, so it was very interesting to learn about. And yeah, that's my reflection. Thank you.